it's Wendy Jean here. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome. Today I have for you my Bombay and Cedar for fall 2022. And yes, you heard that right, fall. I got charged on September 1st and I did not get my box until December 22nd. On top of that, which was the day after winter. And on top of that, I got charged for the winter box on December 1st because it's a seasonal box. And we didn't even customize anything yet for the winter box because they'll send you an email and then you'll have like 3 or 4 items to choose from. And then a week or so later, they'll send you another email with some other things you can customize. Like this box, we got to customize 3 items from it. We haven't even customized 1 item. So if I don't customize until by January 15th, I'm just gonna ask to cancel the whole box. Now I do like this box. I only got it one other time, the summer box, but I'm not gonna keep a box that I get months later. I mean, that's like, this is like that other box that starts with an A that you get months later. This is even worse though. I mean, we didn't even get it in this season. I mean, I got this the day after. So winter started. So yeah, but I have canceled, so I won't get the spring box. But if I don't customize anything by the 15th of January, I'm gonna ask for my money back. Now this box is $84.95 if you pay it quarterly, which I do, and I'm glad I did. You get 7 to 9 items. You're supposed to have a retail value of $225 or more. Now, if you do want to pay annually, it is $79.95, but I don't think saving $5 is not worth it, especially if you're not going to get a box in a timely fashion. So, my opinion, but now this section, everybody got one of these, each item, all 3 items in this box. And the first item is a Crispy Treats by Blake's Seed Based. It says classic Rice Krispie Treats made better with nutritious crunchy seeds without any artificial ingredients. $1.29. And mine has chocolate chip in it. So I'll try that. And then the next item up is a serum. It says hyaluronic serum by Abel or Canelli. Hyaluronic acid restores the skin's balance and infuses deep hydration and nourishment. Between $49 and $110, so it probably depends on which brand you get. And I got the Canelli. Now I will have to look on their website to see how much this one is, but that's what I got. And it's 1 ounce, and I think it's a 1 ounce. Yeah, and it's hyaluronic botanical facial serum. So I got that. And then the next item up is, it says holiday or family book by various authors. Everyone will receive one of our favorite books or activities, $18 to $40. And I got it looks like the holiday book, Merry and Bright. It says Family Christmas Memories, a Keepsake Journal of Family Christmas Memories. And it says it's $17.99. So it says our Christmas celebration. You can put the year with a picture. Our Christmas tree, that's cool. New decorations we bought or made and the meaning behind them. events we attended during the season that especially filled us with holiday spirit. Christmas greeting card or letter we sent out, that's cool. Gifts shared, favorite given, favorite received, most unexpected, funniest, best homemade, and then what to or from. So this is nice. My friend's daughter is getting married, and I could give this to her as one of her shower gifts. This is nice. That's really nice. So we got that. Now the next item, the next item was one we could customize, and you could have gotten a choice between 2 throws. Now where did my... Okay, here we go. You could have gotten 2 throws, and one was a terracotta and one was like a golden color, like a yellow. Or you could have gotten sunglasses by Nectar, and the throw is by Quintessential Textiles, and that's what I got. And I, of course, got the yellow or golden color. And it says, this 100% cotton throw is perfect for snuggling up. The fringes add a touch of texture and interest. Use it as an accent piece or take it along with you when you travel. And it had a $59 value. And it's very nice. Here's the fringies. So happy to have that. That'll be nice in my bedroom. Then the next item up is something else we could have customized. You could have picked a oval platter, and I think it was like a silver color, or a marble cutting board by Danica, or a mango wood enameled coaster. And I picked, it's in here, I picked the cutting board. They call it a marble serving paddle. But I thought this would be nice as a charcuterie board. And I just like the marble. It's very heavy. Well, it looks like it has cork feet, so it doesn't scratch your counter. Very nice. And this had a... this had a $41.99 value. Then the next thing you could have gotten is either a natural body soap by Jungle Culture or a sock and roll, and it says, keep a tight grip on these pesky socks with these clothespins, and the clothespins look like music notes. But I got the soap bar, which I'm glad, because I wouldn't use clothespins. And this is Coffee Scrub Exfoliant Bar. So I got that. And that had a $6 value. Then the next item up, you could have either gotten flashy elastic bands by Rocket Design or a bamboo hairbrush. And I got the flashy elastic band set of 6. And it says, set of 6 elastic bands, silicone body, high stretch elastic, close any packet or bag, $14 value. And then there's more pictures on this side. That's cool. That's really cool. So you can always use those. These are different, so got that. And then the last item is another one we could have customized. And you could have gotten the satin pillowcase and eye mask set, which I don't need that. You could have gotten a mystery bundle, which I didn't want that. Or, because I really like this, I got a reed diffuser by Lordi Seraphine. And let me open it and let me read it. It says, an exotic scented reed diffuser with key scents of citrus, clove, and green tea infused with essential oils and featuring notes of bergamot, ginger, dusted citrus, green tea, touches of apple, juniper, and clove, above peppered jasmine and tobacco. $38 value. Put this together. And that is what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? And then there's the oil. I just thought that was really pretty. I wanted it, so got that. So to recap, I got the reed diffuser that I customized, the throw that I customized, the marble cutting board, or they call it a marble serving paddle. I got the elastic band set that they chose for me. I got the no, I don't see it. The soap bar that they chose for me, and then what everybody got was the treat, a serum, facial serum, and the treat facial serum, and I don't remember. And the book. Sorry. I think my favorite item in this box was, I'm gonna say, the cutting board. But I like everything I customized, but especially this. So let me know what your favorite item is that I got, and if you would have canceled too. And I hope you all have a happy new year, and until next time, bye.